Take command of the road in the 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.